Ayan, mega mega love shoutout sa aking buong team Lintik. Pasensya na kayo, inoff ko yung sounds kasi sobrang lakas ng sounds nila. And then, madalian lang yung punta namin para lang mag-lunch. So, next time, I will make sure na maganda yung pagkakakuha ko ng video to make you satisfied, guys. Satisfied. So, soon, babalik kami dyan with my family. Ayan, so shout out and I love you guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin. I love you ate and I love you us. I love you Ma'am Grace. I love you Dabs and I love you Kulot. Mama Koy, I love you. Ate Koy, I love you. DJ Lay, I love you. And sa inyong lahat. And shoutout na rin kay Lola Lina and Ate Mila. And shoutout na rin kay Sis Anaklitan, Sis Lara. And shoutout na rin kay Kuya Woody and Ate Jing Nasol. And kay Idol Ray, ayan, and kay Kuya Louie, kay Kuya Dante, Kuya Roel and Kuya BJA, Ma'am Trixie and Ma'am Lily Raga, sa Tatay Jackford, Kuya Kabunsoy, and Kuya Albert Tracker, ayan, sa inyong lahat, mega mega love shoutout and thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Ayan, Master Hansi, ayan, shout out. And sa lahat. Ayan, sa aking buong Team Lintik and sa aking mga subscriber, shout out and I love you all guys. Thank you so much for always supporting my small channel. Don't skip the ads guys. Thank you and I love you. And shout out na rin sa The Amazing Yads ng La Union. Mwah!